Living in the heart of the city is a romantic notion until you have to figure out where to put your toaster. In the concrete jungle, space is the ultimate currency, and usually the kitchen is the first room to be taxed. In a 45 square meter apartment, every centimeter is a battleground between functionality and aesthetics. Most people assume that a small kitchen means a life of takeout and microwave meals, but the rise of micro-minimalism is proving them wrong. Minimalism isn't about owning as little as possible. It's about making sure everything you own has a soul or a specific purpose. Today, we're stepping inside a modern apartment in the city center to tour a kitchen that proves you don't need a sprawling island to cook a 5-star meal. This is a space where architecture meets ergonomics, creating a sanctuary of calm in the middle of urban chaos. The philosophy: precision over plenty. When you first walk into this kitchen, the immediate sensation isn't small, it's intentional. The owner, a digital designer named Maya, follows a strict one-in, one-out rule. This isn't just a stylistic choice, it's a survival tactic for urban living. If a new high-end blender comes in, an old food processor must find a new home. This discipline ensures that the kitchen never reaches a tipping point of clutter. The color palette is a soothing mix of cloud white, brushed nickel, and light oak. By keeping the colors light and the lines sharp, the kitchen feels like a seamless extension of the living room rather than a cluttered, greasy workspace. In a small apartment, visual boundaries can make a space feel cramped. Here, the kitchen flows into the dining area with such grace that the walls seem to disappear. 1. The visual magic of floating surfaces. One of the most striking features of this kitchen is the lack of bulky hardware. There are no protruding handles to snag your clothes as you navigate the narrow galley. Instead, the cabinets use sophisticated push-to-open mechanisms. This creates a flat-pack visual effect where the cabinetry looks more like a decorative wood-paneled wall than a storage unit. The design utilizes floor-to-ceiling cabinets to maximize verticality. Instead of traditional upper and lower units that leave a gap at the top, a notorious dust collector, and a waste of potential storage, Maya installed seamless cabinetry that reaches the very top. The higher shelves are reserved for seasonal items, like holiday platters or heavy soup pots used only in winter. To add depth, the backsplash is made of slightly tinted gray glass. This is a masterstroke of interior design. It reflects the light from the window opposite it, effectively doubling the perceived depth of the countertop. It also makes the kitchen incredibly easy to clean. A single wipe removes any splashes from the morning's sauté. 2. The invisible appliances. In a minimalist kitchen, the eyes shouldn't get stuck on a bulky microwave or a massive, humming fridge. In this apartment, the appliances are masters of disguise. The refrigerator is a panel-ready model, hidden behind a cabinet door that matches the rest of the woodwork. You wouldn't even know it's there until you pull the discreet recessed handle. Since most city dwellers rarely use 4 burners at once, Maya opted for a sleek, 2-burner induction hob. This choice reclaimed nearly 30 centimeters of extra counter space, the difference between having room to chop vegetables comfortably and feeling trapped. Induction technology also doubles as extra counter space when not in use because the surface stays cool and flat. Even the ventilation is a secret. Gone is the giant stainless steel hood that usually dominates a kitchen. In its place is a telescopic downdraft vent. With the touch of a button, it rises from behind the cooktop to suck away steam and odors, then vanishes back into the quartz counter when the meal is done. 3. Smart storage. The Tetris strategy. Minimalism fails the moment clutter hits the counter. To prevent this, every square inch of the internal cabinetry is engineered with the precision of a Swiss watch. The storage here follows a Tetris strategy, fitting irregular shapes into a perfect grid. A slim, 15 centimeters wide vertical drawer serves as a pull-out pantry, holding an entire collection of spices, oils, and vinegars. By storing them vertically, Maya can see every label at once, preventing the forgotten jar at the back syndrome. For the deep, awkward corners, she installed lemons carousels, shelves that swing entirely out of the cabinet, bringing the pots and pans to the cook rather than making the cook crawl on the floor to find them. Even the walls work hard. A high-strength magnetic knife strip keeps professional-grade blades within reach without taking up a single centimeter of drawer space. Under the sink, a tiered organization system snakes around the plumbing, housing compost bins and cleaning supplies in a way that feels organized rather than chaotic. 4. The countertop, a sanctuary of calm. The countertop is made of a matte white quartz. It's non-porous, stain-resistant, and looks like a solid block of carved stone. In most kitchens, the counter is a graveyard for half-used mail, keys, and appliances. Here, it is a sanctuary. On it, you'll find only 3 curated items. A single, heavy-grain wooden cutting board that adds warmth to the white stone. A small ceramic vase with a single sprig of eucalyptus for a natural scent. A high-end glass pour-over coffee carafe, which serves as a piece of functional art. Everything else, the toaster, the blender, the heavy Dutch oven, lives in its designated home, inside a cabinet. This lack of visual noise is the secret to why the apartment feels so large. When the kitchen is clean, the mind feels clear, and the transition from work mode to home mode becomes instantaneous. 5. Lighting as an architectural tool. In a small city apartment, natural light is a luxury that fluctuates with the weather and the height of neighboring buildings. This kitchen maximizes natural light with a large, unobstructed window, but the artificial lighting is where the mood is truly crafted. Maya uses a concept called layered lighting. Task lighting, high CRI, color rendering index, LED strips are tucked under the upper cabinets. They illuminate the workspace with a crisp, neutral light that makes food prep safe and colors accurate. Ambient lighting, a single, sculptural pendant light hangs over the small breakfast bar. It casts a warm, soft glow, creating a psychological zone that separates the kitchen from the living area. Architectural lighting, subtle, toe-kick lights are installed at the base of the cabinets. At night, these lights make the heavy cabinets look like they are hovering a few inches off the floor, adding an airy, futuristic feel to the room. Why small kitchens are actually better. There is a common misconception that a small kitchen is a compromise. However, there is a hidden ergonomic benefit known as the pivot point. In a large, sprawling kitchen, you spend a lot of time walking. The distance between the fridge, the sink, and the stove, the golden triangle, can be exhausting. In this minimalist city kitchen,